Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Anashwara, and now that you're here, please stay back, watch the whole video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also check out my Instagram. My handle will be here somewhere, so do check that out. I put up posts almost every day and I'm super active there. And so without further ado, let's get started with the video. So as you guys have already read from the title, today's video is going to be about my 5 favorite eyeshadow palettes. Now these have a different price range. Some are very expensive, not very, but some are expensive. Some are very affordable. So yeah, let's just jump right in. So I'm going to go in descending order, like price wise. So the most expensive palette from the lot will be the first palette, and we'll go our way down from there. So yeah, let's get started. So my first palette, and this is I guess my most favorite palette, and also this is the most expensive palette that I own. So this is from a brand called Tan Beauty, and it is called This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette, and it is a very pretty and very pigmented eyeshadow palette. Now this is how it looks. It has really beautiful color story. Like, you have your neutrals, you have some pinks, and you have your really fun colorful shades right here. So it is kind of a complete palette, like this is all you need palette. So yeah, I really love it, and the pigmentation and the color selection, this is so pretty, and it is priced at rupees 2400, and it is worth every penny. And all the shades are like buttery and very easy to blend. So I really love this palette, and I think whenever I get a chance, I'll use this palette. Like, if I have to travel, I will take this palette with me. Even today I have done my eyes using this palette. Like, I use these 3 shades, and that's how I created this eye. And I have already a video on this eye makeup on my channel, so I will link it above, so go check that out. So the second favorite palette of mine is this Revolution Forever Flawless Constellation palette. This is a very beautiful and a very colorful palette. I think this is one of the most colorful palettes that I own. Like, the colors are really bright. So this is how the palette looks. It has like really beautiful pinks, some purples, some blues and greens. It is very beautiful palette, and it is very nicely pigmented as well. So this is priced at rupees 1850 or something, but I got it in a very good deal. I got it for like 1200 or 1300 from Myntra. So the third palette is R. So the third palettes are these are also from Revolution. This is the Revolution reloaded palettes. This is the neutrals 2, and this is the Iconic Division. This has more of greens, and these ones are more of pink. There are different variants in these palettes as well. Like, there are some reds, there are some neutral palettes as well. And this one is the ABH Subculture palette dupe. Like, you can see there are a lot of shades which the Subculture has. I don't think these are talked about too much, but I guess these are very decent palettes. Like, if you are a beginner, you can definitely try these ones. These are decently pigmented, and they are very easy to blend as well. So I don't think they get enough attention, honestly. But there are some really good palettes in Makeup Revolution. Like, if you are a beginner, you should definitely try Makeup Revolution. There are a lot of palettes which are really great. I agree the consistency is not always there with their palettes. Like, some of them are really bad, but these ones are good. I think all the variants in this reloaded range is really good. So yeah, you can try these ones. Oh, and yeah, these ones are priced at rupees 850, but you can definitely get a pretty good deal in these ones as well. So yeah, if you're a beginner, these ones are really good. So the second last palette I want to talk to you about are these Wet n Wild, what are these called? Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palettes. So this is how both the eyeshadow palettes looks. This is the Rosé in the Air and this is the Comfort Zone palette. I would prefer Rosé in the Air a bit more because some of the shades in Comfort Zone are really crumbly. Like when you touch it, it gets like crumbly and I don't like that. So yeah, this one is my personal favorite, but if you want like green shades, you can go for the Comfort Zone. Both of these are really good palettes and very easy to blend and very pigmented. So yeah, these are pretty decent palettes and are really nicely priced. Like this these cost for how much? Yeah, like for 500 you can get these palettes. So you can look out for some discounts or some sale and you can get these for cheaper as well. So the last one and the cheapest one, which is my favorite, is the Swiss Beauty Ultimate eyeshadow, yeah, Ultimate Shadow Palette. This is in the shade 05. There are different shades in this one as well. There is one coral one and there are different variants of these one as well. I wanted to try this because I want to try the black, and oh my god, this is so, oh, that is like black, like really black. I was so impressed with this palette. Like I was literally blown away by this palette. Like it was so pretty, and you can see this palette in action in one of my videos. I will link it above, so do check that out. And the best part about this palette is it retails for like 229 or 250 or something. Doesn't say here, but it is less than 300, I know that. So if you're looking for a eyeshadow palette and if you're a beginner and you don't have any money, just buy this one. You can get this from Amazon, so just go for this one. This is such a pretty palette and very easy to blend and very pigmented. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I am very active there, so do check my Instagram out. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you next time. Till then, be safe, be kind. Bye bye.